What if I told you that inside your gut, right now, there's a hidden universe more complex than any city on Earth? Let me show you something most people never get to see. Your intestinal wall at 50,000 times magnification. And it's absolutely mind-blowing. This isn't just tissue. What you're looking at are millions of finger-like projections called villi, and they're the reason you're alive right now. Each one is covered in even tinier microvilli. We're talking 200 million per square inch. If you could unfold your entire gut lining, it would cover a tennis court. All of this packed inside you. But here's where it gets wild. Between these villi lives your second brain. 100 trillion bacteria forming an ecosystem so complex that scientists are only now beginning to understand it. These aren't invaders. They're your partners. They produce 90% of your body's serotonin, train your immune system, and even influence your mood and decisions. Look closer at this barrier. It's only one cell thick, thinner than a strand of hair, yet it's the difference between life and death. This microscopic fortress decides what gets into your bloodstream and what stays out. When it breaks down, you get inflammation, autoimmune diseases, even depression. See those glowing cells moving through? Those are immune cells patrolling 24/7. Your gut contains 70% of your entire immune system. Every meal you eat is a negotiation between your body and the outside world, happening at this microscopic level. The most shocking part? You replace this entire lining every 3 to 5 days. Right now, as you watch this, your body is rebuilding this complex universe from scratch. That's faster than your skin, faster than almost any tissue in your body. This is why gut health isn't just about digestion, it's about everything. Your gut is literally talking to your brain, your immune system, even your DNA, through this microscopic landscape. And now you've seen it.